In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Klarna in the UK. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, before you actually install Klarna on your phone through the mobile app on the Play Store or the App Store, I recommend you visit the website by using your web browser. Go to www.klarna.com/UK and make sure you are correctly on the SIM region. You can scroll all the way down to double check if you are on the United Kingdom region. As you can see over here, you will arrive at the UK Klarna page. First of all, select how it works at the top. This will first give you a QR code that you can scan to download the mobile app, which I recommend you do if you wish to use Klarna in the future. Klarna is a payment method that allows you to pay later with their mobile app. You can choose between stores available inside Klarna to make payments, interest-free payments even, depending on which store and how much you are spending. As you can see, all you have to do on screen is open up the app, click on the store that you wish to purchase stuff on, and you will be prompted to include the amount that you're going to spend, or if you are purchasing a specific item or items, the price will already be set. You will then be given the option to pay in interest-free installments or paying 30 days. Regardless of which option you pick, they will always be available inside of Klarna, and as long as you keep up with your payments, you will be able to use Klarna as a payment method to pay later when you don't have the money to make a purchase straight away. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Klarna in the UK. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.